Today the chapter which we are going to deal is life processes, and this is the first chapter of CBSE class 10 syllabus. So what exactly do you mean by the word life processes? The various basic activities. The various basic activities which is performed by a living organism is known as life processes. Yes, the various basic activities which are performed by a living organism is known as life processes. So what are those various basic activities which a living organism performs? The various basic activities which they perform are nutrition, respiration, circulation, excretion, growth, movement, and reproduction. Now, I shall be telling you about nutrition. What is nutrition? It is a physiological process by which the living organisms obtain their nutrients. So now you will be asking, what are nutrients? So you see over here carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, fibers, water. All these things constitutes nutrients. I'm going to tell you the different modes of nutrition. What are the different modes of nutrition? There are basically two modes of nutrition. One is the autotrophic and the other one is the heterotrophic. So what do you mean by autotrophic nutrition? Plants, the green plants which we see in our surroundings. The type of nutrition which is performed by those green plants is known as autotrophic nutrition. Okay, and heterotrophic nutrition. What is heterotrophic nutrition? The organisms which cannot make their own food and in fact depend upon the other organisms for their nutritional requirement is known as heterotrophic nutrition. So let me repeat it once again. Autotrophic nutrition. Basically the plants, they make the food in their own body and they are known as the autotrophs. And this type of nutrition is known as the autotrophic nutrition. And heterotrophic nutrition is a type of nutrition in which organisms cannot make their own food. They depend on other organisms for their nutritional requirement. So there are again three modes of heterotrophic nutrition. The three modes of heterotrophic nutrition is parasitic nutrition, saprophytic nutrition, and holozoic nutrition. These are the three modes of heterotrophic nutrition. Okay. Now, I will first of all discuss with you the first type of heterotrophic nutrition. The first type of heterotrophic nutrition is the parasitic nutrition. So what exactly is the parasitic nutrition? It's a type of nutrition in which an organism, that is the parasite, will stay in close contact with another organism, that is the host, and the parasite will draw its nutritional requirement from the body of the host. The parasite will draw its nutritional requirement from the body of the host. And this type of nutrition is known as parasitic nutrition. Okay. For example, the lice. The lice which you get on the human heads. The lice is a parasite and the host is the human head. Okay. And the lice will get its nutrition by sucking the blood from the head of the humans. And this is a perfect example of parasitic nutrition. So the other two heterotrophic nutrition are saprophytic nutrition and holozoic nutrition. So what is saprophytic nutrition? Saprophytic nutrition is a type of nutrition in which the organism draws its nutrition from rotten leaves, dead organisms, rotten food, leftover food. Okay. For example, fungi and bacteria. Wherever we see decomposed materials lying, these bacteria, fungi will be growing in those areas and a pungent smell will be coming out from those areas. So you can understand from the scenario that saprophytic nutrition is being taking place in those places. Okay. Now I'll tell you about holozoic nutrition. But first of all, before coming into holozoic nutrition, let me tell you, where is it occur? It occurs in humans. It occurs in animals, dogs, cats. Okay, because we are taking food as a whole, and then the food, the complex organic food, is broken into simple form. The food which we take is complex organic, and it is broken into simple form, and this type of nutrition is known as holozoic nutrition.